All right, guys, James here. I'm just doing a quick overview, review, maybe understanding of 3 beautiful hydrovacs right here. I'm supposed to be pointing out the differences between the different models here. They all do the same thing, okay? And what is that? They have a spinning brush. It's not a vacuum cleaner, it's a hydrovac, so it's using water vac. This is for hard floors, hardwood floors, marble floors, where you're just trying to get a shine or, pick up a wet mess that may have fallen down, syrup or something, and you just want to make sure that area is really nice and clean. Again, the section's called Point Out the Differences. They all do the same thing, so what makes them different? The Dream, the Tineco, and the Shark. The Shark Messmaster, the Tineco iFLOOR 1 S5, again, beautiful machine, and the Dream with an E, H12 Pro. The key difference here is this particular model seems to think for itself a little bit more. I can just put it in a mode, ultra mode, dry mode, clean mode, whatever, and I just have to push it and it's going to adjust or do whatever I'm trying to get it to do. Pretty easy to clean. This is the dirty water one, so that's good. What I thought was interesting, if that's the dirty one, where's the clean one? Again, see how easy it is to pop it out, and it holds quite a bit of fluid, right? So it's a pretty good size. I like it. What was interesting is when I went to a difference, I went to this one, which I like. This is the Shark. I mean, they thought about it as well. But what I thought was interesting is, why has this one got such a small container compared to the other ones? But when you fill it up, it's actually not that much smaller. It's just a thicker area, but it is smaller than the others, right? So I can put cleaning solution and water, fill it up, and I guess it just keeps it on track. Like this will do a floor, right? And the dirty water will get collected into the bottom, right? You clean those brushes over time, which is pretty easy to do. You pop this right off, and then you can access that roller. It just pops off as well and give it a good clean. Occasionally, not every time, right? This is the Shark Hydrovac. Yeah, this one thinks for itself. You set it on ultra mode or whatever you want, it'll do it. One of the differences I can tell you right off the top, why I like this one, is it's a talking to me kind of machine. I'm going to turn it on, and it just goes right away. It's telling me what it is. I'm powering off. It tells me to put it on the thing so it can clean the brush when I put it there. So the other ones don't really do that as much. They don't have the ultra mode, auto mode, right? It's more of like the Tineco, beautiful machine, don't get me wrong. It's got a nice cleaning brush. I showed you the clean water in one end, dirty out the other. Showed you how to operate it. You turn it on. You can see the display on top so you can see what it's doing. But again, this one has like a drying mode, an ultra mode. For ultra mode, I could add more water, but it doesn't have a drying mode. So that's a key difference there. Again, they all go the same. They go back on their charging station. Standing if they're priced the same, do I trust the brand? Does it do what I'm trying to do? But key difference is this has a few more modes. That one has a slightly smaller water holder, water soap dispenser, which doesn't make a big difference.